Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of immunity. Our bodies are constantly exposed to countless germs, viruses, and bacteria, but thanks to our immune system, we're able to fight off most of these invaders. Immunity is the body's ability to resist harmful microorganisms or toxins. It's a complex defense network that keeps us healthy and safe. In this video, we'll explore the different types of immunity, how they work, and why they're so important for our overall well-being. Let's start by understanding what immunity really means and why it's crucial for survival. Immunity refers to the body's ability to defend itself against disease-causing organisms. It's like having an internal security system that recognizes and neutralizes threats. This system is made up of various cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect us. Immunity can be natural or acquired, and each type plays a unique role in keeping us healthy. Understanding the basics of immunity helps us appreciate how our bodies respond to infections and why some people get sick more often than others. Let's begin with innate immunity, also known as natural or inborn immunity. This is the first line of defense and is present from birth. Innate immunity includes physical barriers like the skin and mucous membranes, as well as immune cells that respond quickly to invaders. It acts fast and is nonspecific, meaning it doesn't target specific pathogens, but rather provides broad protection against many types of germs. Think of it as the body's general security guard, always on duty and ready to act. One of the key components of innate immunity is physical barriers. Our skin acts as a tough shield, preventing harmful substances from entering the body. Mucous membranes lining the nose, mouth, and other passages trap and expel invaders. Even tears and saliva contain enzymes that help break down bacteria. These barriers are always working in the background, providing constant protection and reducing the risk of infection. Beyond physical barriers, innate immunity also relies on specialized cells like phagocytes and natural killer cells. Phagocytes engulf and digest harmful microbes, while natural killer cells target and destroy infected or abnormal cells. These cellular defenders act quickly, often within minutes of detecting a threat. Their rapid response is crucial for stopping infections before they can spread. When the body detects an invader, it often triggers inflammation. This is a classic sign of innate immunity at work. Inflammation causes redness, heat, swelling, and pain at the site of infection or injury. It helps isolate the threat and brings more immune cells to the area to fight off the invaders. While inflammation can be uncomfortable, it's an important part of the healing process. Innate immunity also includes chemical defenses. Substances like stomach acid, enzymes in saliva, and antimicrobial proteins in the blood help neutralize or destroy pathogens. These chemicals create a hostile environment for germs, making it difficult for them to survive and multiply. Together with physical and cellular defenses, these chemicals form a powerful shield against infection. While innate immunity is fast and always active, it has its limitations. It doesn't remember previous encounters with pathogens, so it responds the same way every time. This means it can't adapt or improve its response to specific threats. That's where the next type of immunity comes in, adaptive immunity, which provides targeted and long-lasting protection. Adaptive immunity, also known as acquired immunity, is the body's second line of defense. Unlike innate immunity, it develops over time as we're exposed to different pathogens. Adaptive immunity is highly specific, targeting particular invaders with precision. It also has memory, meaning it can recognize and respond more effectively to pathogens it has encountered before. This is why people often become immune to diseases they've already had. Adaptive immunity relies on specialized cells called lymphocytes, which include B cells and T cells. When the body encounters a new pathogen, these cells recognize unique markers on the invader and mount a targeted attack. B cells produce antibodies that neutralize the pathogen, while T cells destroy infected cells. This process takes longer than innate immunity but is much more precise and effective. Antibodies are proteins produced by B cells in response to specific pathogens. They bind to the invader, marking it for destruction by other immune cells. Each antibody is unique and matches a particular pathogen, making this defense highly targeted. Antibodies are a key reason why adaptive immunity is so effective at protecting us from repeat infections. T cells are another crucial part of adaptive immunity. There are different types of T cells, each with a unique role. Helper T cells coordinate the immune response, while cytotoxic T cells directly attack and destroy infected cells. This teamwork ensures that the immune system can handle a wide range of threats with precision and efficiency. One of the most remarkable features of adaptive immunity is immunological memory. After an infection, some B and T cells become memory cells. These cells remain in the body for years, ready to respond quickly if the same pathogen returns. This is why people often only get certain diseases like chickenpox once in their lifetime. Active immunity occurs when the body produces its own antibodies in response to an infection or vaccination. This type of immunity develops over time and usually lasts for years, sometimes even a lifetime. Vaccines work by stimulating active immunity, training the immune system to recognize and fight specific pathogens without causing illness. Natural active immunity develops when a person is exposed to a disease-causing organism and the immune system responds by producing antibodies. For example, if you recover from measles, your body remembers how to fight the virus, providing long-term protection against future infections. Artificial active immunity is acquired through vaccination. Vaccines contain weakened or inactive parts of a pathogen, prompting the immune system to respond without causing illness. This prepares the body to fight the real pathogen if it's ever encountered, offering strong and lasting protection. Passive immunity is different from active immunity. Instead of producing its own antibodies, the body receives them from another source. This type of immunity provides immediate but short-term protection. It's especially important for newborns and people who need quick defense against certain diseases. Natural passive immunity occurs when antibodies are passed from mother to baby. This happens through the placenta during pregnancy and through breast milk after birth. These maternal antibodies help protect infants from infections during the early months of life, before their own immune systems are fully developed. Artificial passive immunity is provided by injecting antibodies from another person or animal. This is often used in emergencies such as after exposure to rabies or snake venom. The protection is immediate but temporary as the body doesn't produce its own antibodies in this case. Active and passive immunity serve different purposes. Active immunity takes time to develop but lasts longer, while passive immunity offers instant protection that fades quickly. Both types are essential for protecting us from disease, especially in different situations and stages of life. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to develop immunity. By introducing harmless parts of a pathogen, vaccines train the immune system to recognize and fight the real thing. This not only protects individuals but also helps prevent the spread of disease in the community. Herd immunity occurs when a large portion of the community becomes immune to a disease, making its spread unlikely. This protects those who can't be vaccinated, such as infants or people with certain medical conditions. Achieving herd immunity is a key goal in public health. Sometimes, the immune system doesn't work as it should. Immunodeficiency disorders occur when the immune system is too weak to fight off infections. On the other hand, autoimmune diseases happen when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Both conditions can have serious health consequences. Allergies are another example of the immune system overreacting. In this case, harmless substances like pollen or certain foods trigger an immune response. This can cause symptoms like sneezing, itching, or even severe reactions. Understanding allergies helps us manage and treat these conditions effectively. As we age, our immune system changes. It may become less effective at fighting infections and responding to vaccines. Older adults are more susceptible to illnesses and may take longer to recover. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help support immune function throughout life. There are many ways to support your immune system naturally. Eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, managing stress, and getting enough sleep all play a role. These healthy habits help keep your immune defenses strong and ready to respond to threats. Nutrition is a key factor in immune health. Vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc are especially important. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides the nutrients your immune system needs to function at its best. Regular physical activity can boost your immune system. Exercise improves circulation, reduces stress, and helps immune cells move throughout the body more efficiently. Even moderate activities like walking or cycling can make a big difference in your overall immune health. Getting enough sleep is essential for a strong immune system. During sleep, the body repairs itself and produces important immune cells. Lack of sleep can weaken your defenses, making you more susceptible to illness. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your immune health. Chronic stress can suppress the immune system, making it harder to fight off infections. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, or spending time with loved ones, can help keep your immune system functioning properly. Good hygiene practices like washing your hands regularly and covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze help prevent the spread of germs. These simple habits support your immune system by reducing the number of pathogens you're exposed to each day. Children's immune systems are still developing, which is why they're more susceptible to certain infections. Vaccinations and healthy habits are especially important during childhood to help build strong immunity and protect against disease. Pregnancy brings changes to the immune system to protect both mother and baby. Some immune responses are suppressed to prevent the body from rejecting the fetus, while others are enhanced to fight infections. Proper prenatal care and nutrition are vital for maintaining immunity during pregnancy. Chronic diseases like diabetes or heart disease can weaken the immune system, making it harder to fight infections. Managing these conditions with medication, diet, and lifestyle changes can help support immune health and reduce the risk of complications. Our environment can also impact immunity. Exposure to pollution, toxins, or extreme weather can challenge the immune system. Taking steps to reduce exposure and maintain a clean, healthy environment supports overall immune function. Genetics play a role in how strong or weak our immune systems are. Some people inherit genes that make them more resistant to certain diseases, while others may be more susceptible. Understanding your family history can help you take proactive steps to support your immune health. Travel exposes us to new environments and unfamiliar germs. It's important to take precautions such as getting recommended vaccines and practicing good hygiene to protect your immune system while traveling. Some medications can affect the immune system, either by suppressing or enhancing its activity. Immunosuppressive drugs are used to prevent organ rejection, while others may boost immune responses. Always consult your doctor about how medications may impact your immunity. Lifestyle choices like smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and lack of exercise can weaken the immune system. Making positive changes such as quitting smoking and staying active helps strengthen your body's natural defenses. Scientists are constantly learning more about the immune system. New research is uncovering how gut health, microbiomes, and even mental health influence immunity. Staying informed about these discoveries can help you make better choices for your health. Advances in technology are improving our understanding of immunity. From genetic testing to personalized medicine, technology is helping doctors diagnose and treat immune-related conditions more effectively than ever before. Future of immunity looks promising with ongoing research and new treatments on the horizon. Scientists are working on better vaccines, immune therapies, and ways to harness the power of the immune system to fight diseases like cancer. Staying healthy and informed is the best way to benefit from these advances. To recap, immunity is our body's defense system against disease. There are two main types: innate immunity, which provides immediate, nonspecific protection, and adaptive immunity, which offers targeted, long-lasting defense. Both active and passive immunity play important roles in keeping us healthy throughout life. Immunity is essential for survival. It protects us from countless diseases and helps us recover from illness. By understanding the different types of immunity and how to support them, we can take proactive steps to stay healthy and resilient. In conclusion, our immune system is a remarkable network that keeps us safe every day. By learning about the types of immunity and making healthy lifestyle choices, we can strengthen our defenses and enjoy better health. Remember, a strong immune system is your best ally in the fight against disease.